If your Excel formulas look like a wall of nested ifs, there is a much cleaner fix, and most users have never even heard of it. Let me show you. Nested if formulas get messy fast. One extra condition means rewriting everything, and one missing bracket crashes the whole thing. There has to be a better way. Here is a score table. Instead of stacking Fs inside each other, click the grade results cell and we will use the IFS formula, one clean line of logic. The IFS formula works in pairs, first the condition, then the result. 90 or above gives an A, 75 or above gives a B, 60 or above gives a C, below 60 gives an F. Press Enter and drag down. Every grade appears instantly and correctly. Compare that to the nested if version with 4 layers of brackets. IFS wins every single time. You just replaced a formula nightmare with one clean line. Most Excel users are still wrestling with nested ifs right now. Subscribe. I post a brand new Excel trick every single day.